I mean, as far as how I think with everything with AI, there's sort of been a bit of a kind of a combination of sort of like a gold rush and an arms race over the last couple of years, with people just trying to find a means of getting AI to do everything. And what you inevitably get then is not just a dilution of quality across all of those different mediums, platforms, formats, whatever that may be, but you also get to this stage where there is so much less that makes that content unique. Now, it's very hard to make content unique when the uniqueness is coming out of something that is literally built as a culmination of all the information in the world and then aggregated as to what it feels is most appropriate. That's not how you find the spark that makes you stand out. And that is really where the value in strategy and the value in understanding how to use AI to fulfill specific tasks that don't require that level of connection to the client site, connection to the brand, understanding of the market, understanding of the customer. You really need to have that same kind of human strategy elements overlaying all of that. You're able to produce a lot more work and a lot more efficiently, but you can't lose that. Otherwise, you will just be stuck in this sort of sea of sameness, mediocrity, all the other buzzwords. So yeah, I think the balance for us that we find where the sweet spot is that the learning element of AI is hugely valuable to us. Obviously, if we get client feedback, client brand, client understanding of the market, we can feed that into an agent. You can build that up so that we've got something that runs the unique content that we've created against those, black and white checks and balances. But as far as the spark and the thing that's actually going to make you stand out in front of your audiences, it's now more important than ever to have that human element, because if you lose that, you lose everything.